Okay, hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Umaima, is this your screen? Acha, Mustafa, this is your screen. Mustafa, will you stop sharing the screen?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello everyone.
She
Now I
knows.
want to see everyone. Just a minute. Just a minute.
La 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 la.
Okay, so I can see you all are ready with your ingredients, right? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't have the ingredients, so I can observe, right?
Yes, you can observe if you don't have the ingredient. Okay, if you have, Mustafa, any other biscuits, that will also do. Dawood, you are muted, I think so.
Ma'am, what are you wearing? This purple color?
See, I'm wearing my Independence Day. See,
You're
orange,
looking like a
green,
parrot,
and white.
ma'am.
Orange, green, and white. What y'all are wearing? I want to see all the kids.
I'm wearing my jubba. Ma'am, see.
Okay. So, what are we going to do today? What are we celebrating? Wow, Umaima, I can see you very well.
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Okay. But what is actually Independence Day? I really don't know. Who can tell me?
We celebrate for India.
Why? Why we celebrate for India? What is so special? Tell me. We are celebrating Independence Day.
We got
It is
freedom
such a
from
big
the
word.
British. We got freedom from the Britishers.
Britishers, yes, we got freedom from Britishers, yes. We were under the rules of Britishers and we got independence. Okay, what does independence mean? What do you mean by independence?
Not to depend on anyone.
Not to depend on anyone. Is it a big word, Independence Day?
Yes.
Yes, no, it's a very big word. Independence.
Independence. What does mean independence?
Tell me, you have to tell me, what do you mean by independence?
Independent what you do alone, you don't ask help.
Wow, when you do something on your own, that is called as independence. Okay, who else can tell me what is independence? Who else? Ali, Ali, Umar. Oh, I have two guests, I think so. There's Midar Vaid and there is a Kausar Jadwin.
Oh, hi. Hello, everyone.
Wow.
How is
Kausar,
everyone?
do you know who is
Can
she?
you see me?
Do you know who she is?
Yes.
Yes,
Ajaz's sister.
Whose sister?
My sister.
Oh, Umar. So that means Umar is a special guest today because her sister has also joined. Yes, Umar? Okay, yes. That is why Umar is so happy, so happy. Okay, Kausar, I want to actually introduce you because you are the guest for today. But
Okay.
what's better than my student introducing you? Right, Kausar?
Oh, that would be way better.
Yes. So
I would feel more welcome to it.
okay, that's nice. So can I call Umaima White to introduce Kausar? Umaima Patel. I'm so sorry, Umaima Patel. Yes, Umaima. Go ahead.
Full name है उमामा जादू.
Hello everyone, and today I'm going to introduce our new guest, Miss Kausar. Miss Kausar has many talents. She is a homeschooler, a cat lover, a horse rider, learning German, and makes the best papa roti in Mumbai. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Hey, thank you so much, Umama, for this very warm welcome. I really very good.
Kausar, before we start making the recipe and before,
painting.
she's very good at painting. Yes, yes. Umaima, did you mention about this painting part? Umaima, did you mention about the painting part, Kausar? About the Kausar?
Yes, this is better. Yes.
I think so. Umaima got stuck.
She has got so many talents, Kausar, that
Thank you.
whoever tells good things about her, she makes sure that Papa Roti comes home. So I'm also
So that means Papa Roti is coming soon to our house, right?
yes.
And Kausar Appi, you are my favorite Appi. I love you.
That's the best compliment anybody can have.
And you know
Okay.
that she really,
Umama is very hungry for Papa rotis.
yeah, and you don't know about Kausar, she teases her little innocent brother Umar so much. Umar is like an angel, and this sister is like a devil.
Who is devil and who is angel? Yes, my Umar is angel.
Like Rushda and Khadija. Even all elder sisters are like that, devils. Isn't it, Khadija? I am on your side.
Even I am on Khatija's side. I'm going to take Khatija's side. Yes, Khatija?
Rushda has got Alfia ma'am, Shabana ma'am. She's got all support, you know.
Okay, Dawood, can we play a quiz with you all? Can I play a quiz with everyone? But before that, I want to divide the team, okay?
Okay, and before that, I want a selfie. So I know Mida is there. Mida, can you put your camera on for a minute? Can we take a good selfie? All of you. Mustafa, put your head a little down so I can see you. Okay. Is Mida going to come?
When are we going to make cake?
Oh, Musfira Sayyid is so hungry. 1, 2, 3, everybody. Yo. 1, 2, 3. Come on, everybody.
I want to see everybody's smiling
Yes,
face.
like
Yes. Wow.
That's lovely. There we are. We've got everyone in. All right. Yes, Shazia ma'am, it's over to you.
Okay, okay. So I want you all to divide yourself into two teams, okay? Kausar be the captain of one team, and now you have to shut your mouth, but still you have to be on one team, okay? So
Boys in girls in one team.
no, I'm not going to make boys and girls, okay? So in Kausar team, we have Khatija, we have Musfira, all M's, okay? No, not Khatija. Musfira, 2 Musfiras with Khatija, Manha, and okay, you can take Umaima with you, okay? And rest of them,
Who is going to be the captain?
the Kausar Api will be the captain, okay? It's a very, very simple quiz. You can crack it, okay?
Which team am I? And
Musfira Sayyid, you are in Kausar's team. Musfira, Manha, both the Musfiras, and Manha is in Kausar team and Umaima. Okay? And rest of them is in Dawood's team. Is it all right?
I'm M.
Yes? Okay. Let me share my screen then.
I am in which team?
Ali, you are in Dawood Uncle's team. Can
And
you
me?
see my...
And me,
Mustafa, you are also in Dawood Uncle's team. I wanted to actually... Everybody, rest of them is in Dawood Uncle's team. Only Manha, 2 Musfiras, and Umayma. What about you? No, I am in nobody's team. I am in nobody's team. Okay. So this is my quiz for you all, and we'll start the quiz. Okay. Okay. So this is my first question to Kausar's team. Okay. Name the national flower of India. Let me see. How much do we know about our India?
Let us.
Okay, should I answer?
What
Should I let my partner answer this?
Yes, I want the students to answer this. Yes,
Okay.
Umayma. Umayma, this is for Kausar's team.
Lotus.
Ali, your team is going to lose if you are going to answer. Lotus? Okay, I take Lotus because I have heard Manha, Umayma speaking Lotus. Okay, saying
They said
Lotus.
sunflower also.
Sunflower, they said sunflower. Okay, minus point for them.
Minus
Okay.
points.
Hey, Daudsar said I captain only said that.
Oh, then captain will get -5. Okay.
No. Second chance. No, next time.
Okay, let's see whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. Okay.
One last point.
Okay, one last chance. We will give you one last chance. Okay. So this is Lotus. Very nice. Kausar team. Very nice. Okay, you get 10 points. 10
Yay.
points for that. Yeah. Okay. For next.
10 points.
Okay, next is for Dawood Uncle's team. Dawood Uncle, you have to shut your mouth. Let the student answer. Name the national fruit of India. What is the national fruit
I know.
Okay, Mustafa. Yes, go ahead.
Mango.
Mango?
Yes, are you
What
sure?
about
Mustafa?
watermelon? It is bigger than mango.
Yes.
Watermelon is bigger than mango.
No.
I take watermelon as the answer.
No.
Yes.
No.
Mango.
Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, mango is the right answer.
Yay!
Good going. 10 points to
Mango.
Kausar team and 10 points to Dawood Uncle's team. Okay. And my next question to Kausar's team. Name the national animal of India. Very simple.
Tiger.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I showed you the answer. It's tiger. Okay. Tiger. Yes, tiger. So Kausar's
10
team
points.
get more 10 points. So it makes 20 points.
20.
20. Very nice. Well done. Keep it up. Okay. So the next question is for Dawood Uncle's team. Okay. And this is the question. Name the national bird of India.
I know. Manha.
Parrot.
No.
Peacock.
I'll take Mustafa's answer as parrot, okay?
No,
0 point.
Peacock.
Where is Ali? Where is rest of them? Ali, Umar,
Peacock.
I want answer from you all. Okay,
Maybe chicken. We
Peacock.
love chicken, no?
yes.
Peacock.
Okay, I will take
5
peacock.
points at least.
Yeah.
No, I'll give you full marks because I'm a very generous teacher. Okay, peacock is the right answer.
Yay.
Both of you, both the teams are doing really, really good. Okay, the
We
next
need a
question is
tiebreaker.
Kausar.
No,
I can't
it's
hear you.
20. It's 20.
Tiebreaker.
You need a tiebreaker. We have more questions, Kausar. We have more
Okay.
questions. Okay, this is for Kausar's team. Name the national tree of India. Very simple.
Banyan.
Umayma, did you say that?
Banyan.
How come it is banyan tree when the national fruit of India is mango? It has to be a mango tree.
No, but it is banyan.
Do you want
Hey,
to change?
Musra Rizwani said mango.
Banyan.
Okay, okay.
Aziza, Zainab,
banyan
unmute.
tree.
It's a banyan tree or a mango tree. Please decide, Kausar.
Mango,
Yes.
mango.
It's no. Doubt sir is disqualified for answering.
Okay, so Kausar, what
It
is
is a
your final answer?
banyan tree.
Okay,
Banyan.
okay, I'll take banyan tree as an answer because the captain said it's banyan tree. Okay, it is a banyan tree. It's not a mango tree. Okay, yay! 30 points to Kausar's team. 30 points to Kausar's team. We'll go to Dawood Uncle's team now. Okay, name the national sea animal of India.
Cheating, it's difficult.
It's very difficult.
No.
I know.
Sea animal.
See.
Sea
Umar,
animal, sea
Ali.
animal.
Think. I think it lives in the river of Ganga, and it is a friendly animal.
Okay.
Blue whale.
Huh? Blue whale. Okay, I'll take blue whale as the answer.
Blue
Think.
whale.
Umar, please, are you there? Umar, Ali, everyone.
We pass on to the girls, to the
Zainab.
other Kausar's team.
Yes.
Okay, Kausar's team.
No.
do you want- Okay, who said no?
No
Okay,
passing,
River
no
dolphin.
no passing.
No
Get
passing.
the answer.
Dolphin. Ma'am, dolphin.
Umar said something.
It is river dolphin. We also say dolphin.
We also
Okay.
said
Dolphin.
dolphin.
Dolphin. Girls
Okay.
answered it, ma'am.
Hey.
Okay,
Hey,
dolphin.
Kausar team,
I will
get
give them
minus
today's
five.
Independence Day. Give them the marks.
No.
My mom.
Kausar. Yes.
Okay, this is
No.
dolphin. Okay, dolphin is a national animal. Sorry,
got
sea
30
animal of
marks.
India. Very nice. 30
got
30
30
points to
marks.
Kausar's team and 30 points to Dawood sir's team. Okay, next is the question for Kausar's team. Okay, Kausar, this is very, very simple. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh, tell me the full name, Manha.
Modi.
Modi, Tantap.
Tell me the full name. Full name, Manha. Full name.
Modi.
Okay, I got the answer. Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay. Okay, let's see whether it's right or not. Yes, it's right. Very nice.
Yay.
40 points to Kausar team and 30 points to Dawood sir's team. Okay, let's see. This is the
Name the national.
difficult. Name the national sports of India.
Cricket.
Think, Mustafa. Think
Or
for some
football.
time.
Or football.
Now,
Ben Umar.
Umar, I want you to answer. Zainab is saying hockey and who
Umar
else?
also said kabaddi.
Kabaddi. This time we should disqualify this team. This
No.
time we should not give the marks to this team. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I said.
Umar, did you say hockey?
Yeah, he
I
said
have
hockey.
to take it from Umar. So 10 points to Dawood sir's team. It's hockey.
Yay.
Very nice. Good going. This is the last questions to both the teams now. We'll go to Kausar teams first. Name the capital city of India. Kausar.
Mumbai.
Delhi.
Oh my
Delhi.
Very well done, Umayma.
No, it's not Delhi. New Delhi.
Yes.
Delhi.
New Delhi.
No, it isn't.
It's New Delhi, but still I will give the points to Umayma. It's New Delhi. Okay, the last question to Dawood sir's team is. Oh, I think so.
No question.
Okay, there's no question. So who's the
What is this?
president of India?
Who's the president of India? Tell me.
Quickly,
Amitabh
it's a tough
Bachchan.
one.
Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan.
Is Ram Kovind.
Ma'am, I know.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Umayma,
Should
go
I
ahead.
tell for them? Ma'am,
Yes.
should I tell for
Amitabh
them?
It's all
Bachchan.
right. You help. You can help them.
It starts
But
from.
we'll get the marks.
It
But
starts
we'll
from
get the
R.
marks.
No, Mustafa, how will you get the marks if they
Yeah,
are going
Mustafa,
to answer?
No,
tell
we
the
don't need
answer.
any
Okay.
help actually.
Yeah, we don't
We
need help.
don't
Mustafa,
need
tell
any
the
help.
Mustafa, Ali and Mustafa, tell the answer.
Go ahead, Ali.
Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan.
No, Mustafa, no.
Ma'am, give it to
Now you're
us.
teaching them
Ma'am,
wrong
give it
things.
to
Now.
us.
Okay, Umema
Ma'am,
say,
give it to
Umema.
us.
Umema tell.
Ram.
No, that's not
Mr.
full
Ram.
answer. No, it
Mr.
is.
Ram.
It is
Mr. Ram.
Mr.
At least she
Ram.
knows that.
Listening to
No,
the
she-
answers, I don't think it's Amitabh Bachchan, it's Shah Rukh Khan.
No, look at the teachers. See, I have got teachers like me.
Okay, now okay.
Okay, so you split the point. Okay, Umema said Ram, I'm saying Kovind.
What did you say, Dawal?
Ram Prasad Kovind.
It's Ram Nath Kovind. No!
Oh, Ram Nath Kovind.
Dawal Joshi doesn't get
Okay.
marks. We get marks.
40 and 50, that is decided. Kausar team, please give applause for Kausar's team. Yay!
No. After 2 years, Amitabh Bachchan will become the president of India. We will win that time, Mustafa.
Yeah.
Yes, you all won
We
the
will win.
quiz. Very
We
nice.
will win. We will win.
Now we are hungry.
Okay, now we are very, very hungry. So over to Kausar. Kausar.
I think it's time to celebrate with cupcakes now.
Yes. So do you know what are we making today?
We are making something very interesting. Today we are making no bake cupcakes.
No baked cupcakes.
Yes.
And that has to be in 3 colors, right?
Yes, tricolor, the color of the Indian flag.
Wow. What is the color of the Indian flag? Quickly tell me.
Green.
White, orange, and green.
Color of the Indian flag पूछे.
Okay. Okay, I got the answer. Kausar,
Yes.
you can start because they will not stop answering it. So you can start your recipe.
Mom.
Yes, Miss Vera.
Okay.
Yes, Miss Vera.
have white. Can I take blue?
Yes, you can use blue because the chakra is blue, okay? Yes.
Okay. So now we will be starting. But before starting, I want to see who is excited. I want to see you all cheer. Like, ooh. We can all-
Excited?
Yes. Okay. So many excited faces. So welcome to MasterChef Golden Sparrow India. Today we will be making tricolor cupcakes. Okay. So first I need you to take your bowl. Take your mixing bowl. Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
You need a
your
mixing bowl.
Yes. And then
Can you tell it
take
again
your
for
Oreo biscuits. I have
my
mentioned
God.
you need 5 Oreo biscuits. So take your Oreo biscuits. Okay.
Umayma, you need
put
a
it in the
mixing
bowl.
bowl.
So do we have to take the white one or the brown one?
Yes, the whole cookie.
No,
Who
she's
knows the
asking.
Cookie Monster?
Brown one?
Who here knows about the Cookie Monster?
White one or the brown one?
Kausar, she's
Ma'am?
asking, can she take either brown or white? Which one she should take? Can she use
Anything is fine.
Okay, Umayma, anything is fine.
You can use any flavor you like.
White one.
Okay, use the white
Okay.
one, Umayma then.
Who here knows about the Cookie Monster? No one? Okay, I will tell you all about the Cookie Monster. But before that, we'll start crushing the biscuits using your hand. So start crushing, okay? Crush it into tiny pieces. Okay? I heard that you...
Yes, Musfira. How many biscuits you have to pour in the
Five.
bowl? Five,
Fine.
Musfira.
And the cream.
And even the
Yes, yes, the whole thing.
don't
Just the
put the
biscuit.
cream. Just the biscuit cream, okay? Not the other cream. Don't use the other cream.
Just crush the biscuit. I just put the
Then.
what?
One last then.
Musfira, you need a bigger bowl to mix it. Go get it quickly.
Okay. So everyone else start crushing your biscuit. I heard that you all are exercising very much these days. I see Umar exercising. So I want to see you use all those muscles and crush this biscuit very well. I
Make
want to
sure
see
your
where
bowl
all
is
that
quite
exercise-
big.
The cream
Everyone, Musfira Syed, please get a bigger bowl. That will not do.
cream also we want to get.
Yes, yes. Put the cream also
The
inside.
biscuit. Okay, take the biscuit and crush it very well. While we are crushing,
Big bowl.
which bowl?
This.
Okay, I think that's fine. Okay, so Cookie Monster is someone, I think he's from Sesame Street. It's a cartoon. He loves cookies, okay? So it's, we say that, oh, we are making cookies. I am a cookie monster. I love cookies. So if you are Cookie Monster, say, I love cookies. He talks like this. He talks in a very funny way. He loves cookies. So he always says, I want cookies. That is why he's known as the Cookie Monster. So we need to make this before the Cookie Monster comes and eats up all our biscuits, all our cookies. Oreos are cookies, right? We need to crush this before the Cookie Monster comes and steals all the cookies. Crush it very well. Yes. This is our cupcake, not the Cookie Monster's cupcake. Okay, crush it very well. Keep crushing it. I want to see where all that exercise went. I want to see.
Already
by now?
crushing so.
You need to keep on crushing. Keep crushing it.
Keep on crushing. Keep on crushing. We'll wait till everyone is done crushing. Okay, then we'll move on. Okay, crush it as fine as you can. Crush it as well as you can. Okay, keep crushing it. Okay, we'll wait for everyone to be done.
This is okay.
Wait, let me see.
Only one biscuit left to crush.
Okay,
Okay.
Musfira.
That is great. Keep crushing it. Keep crushing it very well. Into small pieces, very small pieces. Okay? Keep crushing it.
Kausar ma'am, is this okay?
I cannot see your video, Mama.
I'll do the grid view.
Yes, Mama, now show. I can see your video now.
Man, they are done.
Continue doing it. Continue. This is very, I find this very much fun, okay? Crushing the biscuits. It's my favorite part about cooking.
We can
You
do
can
it
go, you can remove all your frustration here. In this
Quickly,
MasterChef,
remove your frustration over here.
in this MasterChef contest, we will be deciding the winner according to the dessert. We will be deciding the winner according to who had the most fun, okay?
Mine done.
Musfira, you're done.
done.
You need to crush it. Musfira, show me your bowl.
Crush it. Keep crushing it. I want very small pieces, okay? Continue crushing it.
Okay, Musfira,
Crush it more.
crush it little more, Musfira.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Keep on crushing it.
अम्मा मेरे को और बड़ा बोल चाहिए बड़ा बोल का बोल काफी नहीं है बहुत छोटे छोटे
Keep on crushing.
इसके लिए मेरे को थोड़ा सा बड़ा बोल चाहिए
Is everyone done crushing the biscuit?
Oh, wow, that's nice.
और वो स्मैशर है ना, स्मैशर, उससे स्मैश कर दिए, वो ला ले स्मैशर।
Kausar, is it all right if they start licking also?
It's their cookie cake, so they can do whatever they want. But chefs, they don't eat while they make. Did you know that? They only taste it.
Okay, so we all are chefs.
Yes.
Where is
We
your
are all
cap?
chefs. Today we are all Michelin star chefs. You have to be very good with the hygiene and very, very, very professional. I can see that everyone is wearing their aprons. Have you seen
पूछना पड़ेगा,
apron? Even I'm wearing an apron today. See,
माइक को
look.
पूछना पड़ेगा।
Ah, yes, we can see.
Yes.
Lovely
You cannot
white in
see.
color.
Yes.
Did you make it with hands?
No, I think my grandmother made it.
Wow. Everyone's
Yes.
grandmother is really very creative.
Yes. Okay, so is everyone done crushing the biscuits?
Umaima has something to match. That's great. Even Rushda is doing that.
Wow.
That's a
is
great
very
idea.
creative. I like it. That is very smart and creative. I like it.
Rushda, your mummy use it to pound the masala with this? Yes? That's good.
Okay, so is everyone done crushing it very well?
Yes.
Or do you want more time?
Is everyone done with crushing?
Time.
He is having really very nice time because he's licking also, he's eating also at the same time. Yes, Ali?
He's enjoying more than me.
Yes, I can see that.
Yes, it's great. I like it. Very good. Very
Umaima,
good
are you
chef.
going to give it to Abdullah
love
after
it.
making it?
This much.
No. Khadija, are you going to share with
Oh
your
my
sister
God, we
after
have
making it?
to-
Khadija, are you going to share? Yes.
I think I
Wow,
heard
that's nice.
monster.
That's nice.
I think I heard the cookie monster name Abdullah.
I think so. He is the cookie monster.
He's
He's
the cookie
taking all
monster.
the
He's here to
cookies.
eat all the cookies.
But we are not, we'll make sure we'll not give it to Abdullah. Okay, Umaima?
Serapi, is this fine, Umaima?
Yes, it's fine. It's very good. I like it.
Is everyone done with crushing part?
Mom, I got a bigger ball.
Wash your hands.
Who is it? Manha.
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 Very
Musfira
well.
Sayyed.
Now you-
Musfira Sayyed. Okay, that's great, Musfira. You need a bigger
Okay.
bowl to crush it and make it a powder base.
Okay. Yes, perfect. I like it.
I'm making a powder.
Yes, it's okay.
Yes,
Yes, it's okay. I like it.
you have
I
to
like
mix
what
it
you all have
really
done.
well.
Okay. Is
So
everyone
everyone-
done? Should I move to the next part or should I wait?
Everybody should show it to Kausar Api. Khatija, show me yours. Ali, show me yours. And Musfira Rizwani. Everybody, please show it to Kausar.
Okay, nice little.
I think so yours is done, Khatija. Very well. Kausar, please check and tell them.
Yes, I'm checking. Yes, very well. Umar, Umaima.
Musfira Rizwani.
Khadija.
Do we need little more crushing?
Musfira, yes, done. Who?
For Musfira Rizwani.
Just 1 second, I'll check. Musfira Rizwani, okay.
She's showing
Two
it to you.
Musfiras, so I get confused.
Yes.
Yes, Musfira, it's fine. Let's move on to the next step. Who's ready for the next step?
See this man.
Ali,
Ali?
Ali, are you showing us? Ali?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it's very well done. I really love your work, okay? Everyone has done a very good job so far. Everyone gets a 10 points. 10 points for everyone. Now we are going to take the cream. The fresh cream.
100 points.
Okay.
100 points, okay. Everyone gets 100 points.
Have you got your cream ready? Yes.
We're going to add the fresh cream. Okay, everyone take the fresh cream and add it to your mixture. Okay, take the fresh cream,
It's 8 tablespoons, right, Kausar?
add it. Yes, it is 8 tablespoons. Put it inside.
Good, Musfira. Musfira, are you doing it? Musfira
Put the
Rizwani?
cream inside.
Ma'am, I'm putting the do it in
Yes,
the
put all the cream that.
ready.
Yes, put all the cream that your mother has measured for you. Okay, put all the cream.
It has to be 8 tablespoons, okay? Everyone.
Okay. Okay. I have put the cream in my bowl. Is everyone with me on this step? Yes, very well, Ali.
And how much we want to put?
8 tablespoons. 8 tablespoons.
Do I have to mix it, Kausar Api?
Yes, after you put the cream, you mix it.
8 नहीं था 8 थे ये ये मिक्स कर
Umar, are you able to do it, Umar? All alone? Independently?
Yes.
That's great. Umar, I have not seen your mixture.
After you have lightly mixed it, you
That's
are going
good.
to
That's good, Umar. Yes.
Okay, now after you have mixed the cream, we are going to just leave it. We are just going to let it rest. Okay, we are going to let it rest, let it absorb all the beautiful flavors and fat of the cream, which is going to give it a very good flavor. Okay, so we are just going to let it rest for a while. Till then, if you want to show me your apron, please show me your apron. I want to see.
Wow, Mustafa, I can see the baby behind.
Ma'am, we want to mix.
Yes,
It's a virtual
and then leave
background.
it.
Yes, it's a virtual background. Yes, I can see that, Mustafa.
Ma'am, we want to mix.
Yes, mix it and then leave it.
Kausar, can you show your consistency? How is it? Is it very liquidy or is it little thick?
You see?
Can everyone see Kausar's screen?
Look,
More cream.
it is not very liquidy.
Okay.
Okay. After you add the cream, you're just going to let it rest. I'm not going to mix it. I'm just going to rest for like 2 minutes. Not that. Yes, just 2 minutes. Till then, I want to see everyone's apron and hats. Whoever has made an hat, show me. Wow, Manha, I love your hat.
Manha,
Khadija, yours too. And Ummema has a very different style of chef's hat. I really like that.
That is a detective hat.
So nice apron.
I think the Zainab is
And
also
who else?
showing.
Oh, Zainab, love your hat. It's a white. It's matching with your apron.
Khatija, who made your chef, Khatija? Is Rushda Api helped you or you made it on your own? Khatija, who made the cap? Who helped you to make the cap?
No.
I can't hear you, Khatija. You have to unmute yourself.
It should be very creamy.
Who made it?
When we put the cream,
Khatija?
no? When we mix it,
Your
it should be
daddy.
very
Wow,
creamy.
Khatija, that's
Right.
great. It's a really creative one, Khatija. I thought Rushda helped you to make this cap. No, Rushda is not so creative in all these work.
I already put
Ali,
I
how are
already
you
added
doing?
cream. Now I have to mix it.
Yes, now you have to mix it and let it rest, okay? We are going to let
I'm
this
telling to
rest
my
for 2
mom.
minutes.
I'm telling to my mom.
Okay,
We
okay,
can
Musfira.
add more biscuit.
Yes?
We can add more biscuit.
If you no, don't add more biscuit. I think 5 biscuits are enough. After, if you like this dessert, you can make it later on. Okay, for
I
your
think so.
parents.
I think so. Musfira wanted to make for entire family. Yes, Musfira.
But in MasterChef, they only make this much. You want to make this much, and then you can make it lots of it. Okay.
Yes,
We are in
Musfira Sayed.
MasterChef now.
Chocolate cream.
Is it looking really great, beautiful, tasty?
Yes.
Yes.
It's
Oh.
smelling very nice.
Eat it right now only.
Oh.
Who is eating?
No.
Khatija, you are eating?
Umema
You want to
is
eat it
turning
right
into a
now?
cookie monster. She wants to eat the whole thing already.
Khatija does not like the taste, I think so.
Oh, Khadija, what's wrong? You don't like cookies?
Too much tasty.
Okay, let's wait and let's put it to the liners, then we'll see, okay?
It become full chocolate cream.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, it's become like a chocolate cream, okay? Do you want me to move on to the next step now? Is everyone with me on this step?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay, so I'm taking the cupcake liner. We have a cupcake liners. Everyone has the cupcake liners? Everyone has it, right? Yes, very well, ma. Yes, Ali. Yes, Musfira. Manha, do you have your cupcake liner? Umar, yes. Umema, yes, Khadija. Very well. Yes, very well. You have lined all the cupcake liners, Umema. We are making only 2 right now. Later on, you can make more. Zainab, yes, very well. Okay. Now we're just going to give one.
Can we use this?
I'm sorry, what?
Can we use this?
Use what?
This. This thing.
Yes, you can. If you want, you can use it. Perfect, okay? Now we're just going to give.
This because I don't have cupcake liners.
Okay. Yes, very
I
well.
don't have cupcake liners.
Very good. Yes, show me.
Kausar, can we use cup or cup molds instead of cupcake liners?
Yes, it's fine. Yes, it's fine.
Okay.
It's your cupcake. You decide how you want it to be, okay? We are just going to give it a final mix. Just one. We have let it rest for a while, right? Now we're just going to give it a final mix, okay? Whose favorite ice cream is cookies and cream? I know Omar's favorite ice cream is cookies and cream.
Even me.
Yes, so this is cookies and cream.
Rushda and Khatija is feeling very hungry, I think so.
Oh, I can see all the MasterChef's taste testing. Okay, now we are going to take the liner. Okay, we're moving on to the next step. We're going to take the liner, hold it like this on your hand, in your hand, and then we are going to take one tablespoon, and then put it in. Okay, just 1 spoon. And then little bit more, okay? Don't overfill the cupcake liner, okay? Only put as much as you need, okay? Not much.
Just maybe 1.5 spoon would be enough in one cupcake liner.
Yes. This is your cupcake. You decide how much you want.
Yes, Umaima, we can see yours. It's nice, wonderful.
Yes, it's amazing, okay? We are
Yes,
only going to make.
Mustafa. Yes, Musfira. I'm so sorry.
We are only going to make 2 right now. Later on, you can make more, okay? Later on, you can make more. We are just going to decorate this very well, okay? Right now, see. We're going to put this. We're going to put this inside and just lightly just smooth it. Don't go very hard, okay? Just lightly, very easily. You cannot see what I'm doing. Ask me, okay?
Just
1.5 spoon.
1.5, Musfira, 1.5 spoon. Yes, in each liner.
Yes.
Zainab, show me yours. Mustafa, yes, Musfira Rizwani, that's great.
See Umema.
Yes, I can see Umaima's. Ali, can you show me yours? Umar, can I see yours? Khatija, can I see yours? I can only see the
Okay.
molds. I can't see. Kausar, is it all right? Can you see Khatija's cup?
Yes, it's all right. Yes, it's all right.
Okay.
Later on, just put it in the fridge and then remove it. Or you can eat it inside the mold. Whatever you find comfortable, okay?
Okay, that's nice.
Okay, very well.
Do we have
Umema,
to bake
nice.
it?
Umar.
Do we have to bake
No, we
it?
don't have to bake it. This is a no-bake recipe. No-bake recipe.
Okay. Umar, I have not seen yours. Umar, can you show me? You must be expert, Umar, staying with Kausar Api. Yes.
What we should
Yes,
do
I can
with,
see that.
with the butter and coconut?
Wait.
We are going to use the coconut. The butter we will not be needing, okay? The butter was for a backup plan, okay? But today we don't need it. I don't think any of you need to use butter. So that is why what we will do is move on to the coconut. Is everyone done with this step? Should I move on to the next step? Okay, I'm moving on to the next step.
Manha, are you enjoying observing this? Yes. And are you going to make it in the evening or maybe tomorrow?
Tomorrow to make and after I will make every day.
You are going to make this every day?
Okay, send me pictures every day.
Ma'am, I like it.
Oh, you are liking
You
this.
like it? Okay, so now we are going to
Yes,
use.
Manha.
Yes.
See this video and I will bake it.
Oh, that's a great idea, Manha.
Send me pictures, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now everyone has coconut, okay? Coconut in 3 different bowls, right? 1, 2, and 3, okay? 3 different bowls. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, everyone has divided into 3 bowls, right?
Mustafa, are you enjoying observing them making cake?
Yes.
Okay, and are you going to make it for your family?
Yes. It's very easy.
Oh, it's very easy.
Okay. Wow.
That's nice. Mustafa,
Okay.
you wanted
So
the
take
difficult one?
I'll get this out of the way so you don't get confused. Okay. So now we are going to take this one bowl of coconut. Okay. The one bowl we have separated into 3 bowls, right? Now we are going to take one bowl and then we will be adding green food coloring. Not much, just 1 drop. Okay. We'll just add 1 drop of food coloring.
1 drop of green color, green food coloring.
What we have to do with the coconut?
Okay, I'm showing again. Don't worry. Okay, so first we are taking 1 bowl. We have 3 bowls of coconut. Am I right? Yes. So take 1 bowl and then we'll add 1 drop of green food coloring. Okay, which is one of the colors of our flag. So we'll take 1 drop of green food coloring, not much.
Kausar, if we don't have it in a liquid form, what can we use? We have it in a powder form. Then how do we use?
Very little, like 1 drop of water, not more than that.
Okay.
1 drop of.
If you have a
1
green
drop of
color in a
food
powder form, then just add 1 drop of water to it, okay? Not
It's
more.
very little, not much. Very little, okay? Don't put too much water. Okay, I'm taking my green food coloring. I'm adding 1 drop of it inside. And then
Khatija,
I'm going
Rujda,
to-
be careful while pouring the water, okay? It has to be just very little, just one drop.
Okay. And then you take a teaspoon, okay? And then you start mixing. And then you start mixing. Wait, I'm saying. Then you start mixing, okay? Mix it very well. Mix it. You need to mix this for a while, okay? We are making homemade sprinkles. Healthy homemade sprinkles.
I what you did?
Yes.
What
I
you did?
said that. I said add a drop of food coloring, green food coloring, okay? And then you mix it. Just one drop and then you keep mixing it. It will take time, but it will mix, okay? You keep on mixing it, okay? This is one of the colors of our
Ma'am,
flag.
I have powder. What you do?
You add
Ma'am, I have powder.
just add one drop of water in that in this mixture and then put the powder on it. Okay? Do you have someone to help you? If your mother
Yeah,
is
and we
with
want
you,
to put
okay.
in the coconut.
Yes, put the food coloring in the coconut and then mix it. Okay, it will take some time, but it will catch the color. Okay, it will take some time, but keep mixing it. It will catch the color. It will catch a very beautiful green color. Okay, see these lumps? You just mix it. You keep mixing it. If you think you don't add lots of it, okay, or it will not taste good. So I'll add just one more drop. Okay, just one more drop of green food coloring. Just one more drop of green food coloring. So total I have only added 2 drops of green food coloring and now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix it.
I didn't have green food coloring, so I put yellow and blue food coloring and it became
Yes,
green.
very good. That is very smart. They make the color green, right? That is very smart, okay? So now we're going to keep mixing it, okay? Very well, you need to mix it because it has to catch the color green, okay? We're going to keep mixing it.
Can you see Khatija's
Yes,
screen,
Khadija,
sir?
very well. I really love your color. You are doing it better than me, Khadija. No joke. I'm saying seriously, you're doing it very well. Even better than me. I'm struggling here.
Khatija, can you
Look.
show me your bowl again, please, Khatija?
Ma'am,
Okay, that's nice.
1 second.
Thank you,
Can you
Khatija.
show?
Thank you.
I'm done. Ma'am, done.
Umaima, can you show me your face with the bowl, Umaima? Yes. Move the screen little back so that I can see your face as well.
Keep mixing it.
And I can click few pictures. Okay, thank you. Just a minute, Khatija, Umaima, just a minute.
Ma'am, my see.
Okay, thank you, Umaima. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes, Musfira. Musfira, wait. Musfira, wait. I want to see yours. Musfira, wait. Okay, thank you, Musfira. Thank you. Keep your bowl down,
You
Musfira.
need to continue mixing this. Continue mixing. Keep on mixing. Okay. Did everyone get the color they wanted?
Did you get the green color, everyone?
You have a good color?
Yes. Yes. Kausar, can you see Musfira Sayyed's bowl?
Just 1 second. Musfira Sayyed.
Yes.
My video takes a little while to. Yes, very well. That is lots of coloring, but it's okay. Okay, you keep on mixing. And then I want you to take the next bowl, one more bowl, okay? You keep this on the side. This is done. We don't need this anymore. Okay, we'll use that later. But
The
now
other
I'm going to
white-
take the next bowl.
the other one bowl.
Yes,
Yes,
the
the
other bowl.
other white. The other white one, okay? And take another spoon. Okay? And then we are going to add orange food coloring. Okay? Because I don't have orange food coloring, I will be mixing 2 colors, okay? But if you have orange food coloring, right? So you can put your orange food coloring, okay? Just how we did with this one, we are going to do the same thing with this. Get it? Yes, very well, Umaima. going to add the orange food coloring.
How much you want to put?
We want to put how much? Just 1 drop, not more than 1 drop. Not more than 1 drop.
Yes, Zainab, I can see yours. Show me yours, Zainab. Wait. Zainab, show me your bowl, Zainab. Can you show me your bowl? With the bowl? Yes. Just one bowl, the yellow one. Zainab, just one bowl, the yellow one. And show it to us.
So,
Zainab, head down, Zainab. Little head down. Okay, good. Okay. Okay,
is
Zainab.
everyone with me on this step? Is everyone enjoying?
Yes.
Ali, can you show me your bowl, Ali?
My little bit only it is.
Show me. It's all right. Okay. Okay, the yellow color can't be seen. Okay, that's all right. Just hold the bowl in your hand. I want to just click a picture, Ali. Okay. Ali, can you hold the bowl for me, Ali, please? Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Ali. Thank you.
1 drop. We are going to keep mixing this.
Keep mixing.
Orange drop.
Okay, once you get the color, yes. Oh, it looks chocolatey. Again, don't put too much color. Don't put too much color. Okay, we don't want it to be too much color flavored. Okay, it's not going to taste nice. Just put one drop. Okay.
Umaima, did it turn yellow? Did it turn yellow?
Yeah, that's why I'm putting
Good.
a red color.
Umaima, but it's not yellow.
Orange.
Sorry, orange. It's not orange. Can you,
Yes,
Kausar, can you see Umaima's bowl, Kausar?
Yes, very well. You just add 1 more drop. I think then you'll be fine. Just
Yes.
1 more drop and then you'll be fine.
Khatija, show me a yellow color, Khatija, Musfira Sayyed and Musfira Rizwani.
In this green.
Yes.
Put एक bowl में green.
Can you show me your bowl, Musfira?
Saffron. I better. Orange नहीं है.
White.
या मम्मी को हम help.
Show me your
Is
yellow
everyone
color,
done?
coconut, desiccated coconut.
Don't have yellow color. That's why I'm putting the red color.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay,
Just little
no
amount
problem.
of red maybe can just look like orange.
Okay, very well. Even mine looks on the little bit on the red side, but
Yes,
it's okay.
Khatija, very nice, very nice,
Right?
Khatija. Yes, Umaima.
Yes,
Yes,
very
maybe
nice,
you can add
Umaima.
little more, Umaima, little more orange color.
Oh, Umaima is fine, I think.
It's fine. Okay, it's fine. The master chef said it's fine.
Okay. Okay. Is everyone done with this step? The next step is
Yes.
very fun. I really like this step. Okay.
Mom, what about the last
We have left.
What happened, Musfira?
That is going to stay white.
What
Can
about the
someone tell
last
me why? Can someone tell me why?
Yes, it's going to
Last
be
one
white
we're
in
going to
color.
leave it white. Can someone tell me why? Why who can tell me why? They will get 100 points more.
Okay, Zainab has.
In India's flag, there is green, orange, and white.
Yes, Umaima. Yes,
very
Zainab.
well. Yes, Zainab. Okay, so we are left on white. Why? Because we have 3 colors. Wait, I'll put it like this so you can see. Okay, this is saffron, white, and green.
Kausar, can you show me your bowl again, Kausar, please? All the
Which
3
one?
colors. All the 3 colors.
Wait, I'll just move the spoon so you can see.
Mom, see Muslim.
Okay, yes. Just a minute, Kausar, just a minute.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Kausar, thank you.
Yes.
Yes,
Musfira.
Yes, it's
Yes,
nice.
very good, Musfira. Last bowl is going to stay white. Why? Because it's the three colors of our flag, okay? One is white, saffron, and green. Yes, very well. Excellent. Okay, who wants to move on to the next step?
Yes.
I think so. Everyone is done. We'll move on to the
Yes.
next step.
We are going to move on to the next step. This is very exciting, okay? We are going to decorate the cupcake. We have made the cupcake. Now we are decorating it, okay? So here is my cupcake. Can you see this? Can you see it?
No, Kausar, we can't see that. You have to just tilt your screen toward you. Yes, now we can see it.
Is that better?
Yes,
Just
it's,
1 second, okay?
now it's visible.
I'll just pick up the cupcake so you can see, okay? I'll just pick it up in my hand, okay? Okay, I have my cupcake here, okay? Now I'm going to start with the red color, okay? The red color I'm going to take and then I'm going to put it on this side, one side of the cupcake. Don't cover the whole cupcake, okay? You're going to put it on one side of the cupcake. You cannot see it right now, but when I add the next colors, you can see it, okay? You're going to add the orange one first. No, sorry, I mean orange. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It has to be orange, okay? You add it on one side. And on the next part, you are going to add the white one in the middle. Why? Why am I adding white in the middle?
But I don't have white.
What has white?
I don't have
We left one white, right? We left one color right. Why did we leave it white? Because it is one of the colors, right?
coconut one.
Yes, the coconut white color, okay? The coconut white, yes. And then you put the last one on in the bottom, okay? I will do this again, don't worry. I will do this again. Now we are going to add the last part. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Wait.
Show me.
I'm going to show it to you again. Don't worry. Wait, you put the last one. I'll tilt the camera more. Wait. For the next one, okay?
Last निकालने के पहले
Let me just flip my camera. 1 second.
आप
Okay. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my orange color. Okay. I'm going to take my orange color, put it on one side of my cupcake.
done.
I'm going to take this, put it on one side of my cupcake.
See, I done.
Okay, very good.
Musfira. Show me yours, Musfira. Sayyed.
Show me.
Wait. Okay.
Yes.
Musfira, but I can't see the cake actually. The base, I can't see it. Have you put the base also? Are you putting the coconut on the base or is it just in the liner?
It is in the liner only.
You have to put it on the base, Musfira.
You have to put it on the cupcake. We
Okay,
are putting
do it for
on
the next one. Do it for the next one.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Then
look, ma'am.
we are taking the white one and then
Wait,
putting
wait.
it in the middle.
Now Musfira is really confused. Kausar, can you help her out?
Wait, I'll explain to her. Wait, let me just finish this and Musfira, I'll get to you, okay?
Yes,
I'll
Ali, I can see
explain to you.
really
Ma'am,
beautiful
ma'am.
cupcakes. Wow.
We are making cupcakes.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Wait,
And then you
Ali,
add the third color.
wait.
Ma'am.
Ali, I want to really see yours. Wow, that's really great. Ali,
Wow.
1 minute, Ali.
Musfira, yours looks better than
Wow,
mine.
very nice.
See, very vibrant, okay? Now Musfira, Musfira
Ma'am,
I will explain. Wait.
Ma'am's cupcake.
Yes, Umayma, wait. Okay, I want to see you also, Umayma, with the cupcake. Just tilt your screen toward you or just move a little behind. Okay, yes.
Musfira Sayyid, I'll explain to you, okay?
Very
Musfira,
nice. Very
listen,
nice, Umar.
okay? See, you put the Oreo base we made before, okay? You put it in the cupcake liner. Yes, you did that, right? Yes. And then did you put the Oreo base inside first?
Yes.
Yes.
Or
And then
either
on top of that, you're going to add this coconut. Okay. On top of that, you're going to add this coconut. First, the orange color, then the white color, and then the green color. Okay. That is how the flag is, right? On top, it is orange, white, and then green. You understand?
Musfira, take another liner. Musfira, take another liner and
Take
put the
another
base
liner.
first.
Ali, I really
Yes.
love yours. I really love your energy today.
Yes, Musfira. Now just take pour the base. What mixture we had made with the biscuit, cream and biscuit. Okay, you have put it now. Okay, good, good. Pour it little more, Musfira. Pour it little more. On that.
Okay.
Yes, Mama, very well. Really love yours.
मैम मैम आई नीड बोल
Ali, I saw yours. It's wonderful. It's really well. Has turned really well.
Mom, I put it more.
Good, good. Now you have to decorate that cupcake with 3 colors, okay? On one side it has to be orange, in the middle it has to be white, and on the other side it has to be green, okay? Go ahead and do it.
Hi, Yahya. You are also the cookie monster, right? Even Yahya is a cookie monster.
Oh, Yahya. Just look at Yahya.
We have so many cookie monsters here today.
Zainab, show me yours. Cupcake. I'm coming to you to eat, huh? Zainab. I'm hungry now.
Is everyone done with their cupcakes?
Very nice, Musfira. Wait, Musfira, I want to take a picture. Musfira, wait. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Show me your face, Musfira. Only Musfira, Fatima Bhabhi. Okay, Musfira, come. Yeah, you can also come. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Just a minute. Okay, done, Musfira and Yaya, done. Done, Musfira and Yaya.
Zainab,
Okay, Zainab.
wow, it looks so good.
Wow. Zainab, I want to see you with your cupcakes. Please come close. Okay, now, but I can't see your face. Okay, now I can see. Okay, wait.
Zainab, very good.
अरे हम लोग को चाहिए डिजाइन करे.
Good.
You know what this looks like? You know what else this looks like? Khadija, wow. You have done a very neat job.
Where is Khatija? Khatija, it's a really nice one. Khatija, I want to see your face with the liner, with the cake. Please hold it. I can't see Khatija then. Rushda and Khatija, please be in the middle. Okay.
You know what this looks like? This
Just
looks
a minute.
like Gola Ganda. Who here likes Gola Ganda?
Rushda? Okay, Rushda, please hold the tray, Rushda and Khatija. Okay. Just a minute.
Can you see that?
Okay, thank you, both of you.
Yes. So, yes, Musfira, very well. Very nice. Okay. Who here likes Gola Ganda? This looks a little like Gola Ganda, right? The flakes on top. Has anyone had the Gola Ganda in a bowl? It looks like that, right? The flakes, the shredded ice.
Sir, are you talking about gola, which we used to eat in our childhood?
Yes. Have they not tried it?
Yeah, I have tried it in my childhood.
Sometimes you used to get it in a bowl. And that is what this used to look like. The shredded coconut.
Did you all enjoyed making this recipe? Kiddos? Yes?
What was your favorite part?
Decorate.
To decorate.
We have to put it refrigerator too.
Yes, you can put it in the fridge. If you want, you can put it in the fridge. Or if you are a cookie monster, you can just eat it with a spoon right now.
You can either put it in the fridge or you can eat it right now. I'm going to have it after my lunch.
Shazia ma'am is a cookie monster. See.
No, I want to eat it after refrigerating it.
Okay. Yes, that will taste better. When it is cold, it will taste better.
I'm not a cookie monster. I put it in the refrigerator.
Oh, very well, Musfira.
Very well. You can eat it after class or after lunch. Okay?
I'm not
And
going
share
to
it
eat it after the
with your
class.
siblings.
That's great. That's nice. Wow, wonderful
has made-
cupcake.
Ali has made like 6 cupcakes and I have only made 3.
Oh, Ali, that's
Wow.
great job.
My whole family.
Yes,
Oh,
Umma has
wow.
made for whole family. Right. Who else have made for the entire family? One for each. Yes, me. Umayma. And Ali. Ali has got still more. Okay, Ali, you can use it in the cups. Or maybe you can eat it now from the bowl.
Yes, you can eat it directly from the bowl if you want.
Wow.
I think को refrigerator में रखना है। मत निकालना।
Very nice, very nice. Kausar, is it done, Kausar?
Yes, we are done. And the winners for this master chef, who is the winner for this master chef? Who will decide?
Me.
No.
I'm
Shazia ma'am did not even make the cupcakes. Who is the winner?
Who is the winner? I think so. Rushda and Khadija is busy eating. Musfira is busy eating.
Whoever said me, that is the winner.
No. Who did not say me? I think so. Zainab did not say me, and Musfira Rizwan also. I
Zainab is
have
the
not
winner.
heard.
Zainab is
And-
also a winner.
Where is Umar? I can't see Umar. Umar
Yes,
is so
even I
busy
cannot
making
see
it.
him. Yes, I think
He is actually so
Amazing.
expert that he does not want to even ask anything.
Ma'am, I also didn't say this.
Yes, even Musfira Sayyed did not say me this time.
Oh, but still, all of you get 5 Michelin stars from me. Okay. Everyone
That's
gets
nice.
a 5 Michelin star for making this.
And one
And-
Papa Roti from Kausar.
Yes, so inshallah. Yes.
Okay, so with this, we are going to end our meet. Enjoy your snacks. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, Kausar. Thank you for coming here and teaching my kids
Thank
the
you for
recipe.
having me. Thank you.
Thank you. It's our pleasure. Okay, bye. Enjoy yourself. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
And Manha, I want to see your cupcake later on and share the screen. Oh, sorry, share the pictures. Okay, on WhatsApp. Bye, everyone. Bye, Rushda. Bye.
Ma'am, which is next class?
We don't have next class. It's holiday. Okay, enjoy yourself. Bye. See, Khatija is so enjoying so much when I said it's holiday. Bye.